Ham hocks are one of the best kept secrets for low cost meal prep, but they usually take hours on the stove, and right here in the middle of summer the last thing I want is boiling pans going for hours. So today I'm showing you a simple way to cook up ham hocks. I'm using the InstantPot Mini, but you can use any Instant Pot, and it's pretty much zero effort, and you're also going to have beautiful rich stock that's going to really liven up the most simple of soups. More on that later. So we're going to use just a few ingredients, and there's hardly any prep at all. So let's get cooking. And all you're going to need to get into that pot is an onion, a few peppercorns, a bay leaf, some carrots, your ham hock of course, and today I'm using the Instant Pot Mini, and I've got a 1.5 kilo ham hock. You could use two smaller ones of course, but that one is about the maximum size you can get into the Instant Pot Mini, and just get some water in there. So it's covering about 2/3 of the ham hock, but make sure you don't go over your maximum pressure cooking line. So in the Mini that's working out at about 1.4 litres of water, but you could do more than that if you have a larger Instant Pot. So that's it for your prep, so lid on. So the guide I use for cooking ham hocks, whether it's one large one like I've got here or smaller ones, is that I cook them for around 13 minutes on pressure cook high for every 500 grams, which is about 1.1 pounds. So for this one that's about 1.5 kilos, I am going to put this on for 40 minutes, round it up from 39, and then it's going to do its preheat, which will take 5 to 10 minutes depending on how much water you've put in. Then it's going to skip over, do its pressure cook for 40 minutes, and then I'm going to just leave it to do a natural release. And depending on how much water you've got in there, that natural release might take 30-40 minutes, maybe a little more. And if we've not met before, by the way, I'm Susan from Cooking and Calm, and here we're all about cooking in these ways where we can get a bit of calm in the kitchen and we can cook lovely home cooked food with the help of some gadget friends, especially the Instant Pot. And I call this one a nap worthy recipe because there's a good lot of time in the Instant Pot, but it's completely hands off. You don't need to be anywhere near the Instant Pot. It's got your back, it's going to look after everything, and maybe you deserve a little break and you could just sneak in a little nap or get on with one of those millions of other things that you probably have going on in your life, just like I do. So we'll leave the Instant Pot to do its work now and see you back here soon. So here we are, the Instant Pot has finished cooking, it's released its pressure, the pink pin is down. I'm not sure how long it took because I went off and did something else instead too. And now we have got this beautifully cooked ham. And then what I do is when it's cooled down enough to handle is when I strip off the meat. So I will do some carving and then take off any little grizzly bits. So we end up with lots of lovely ham like this. And this will now go into the fridge and it will be fine to eat for 3 to 4 days. And with this you can get all kinds of meals together very quickly. It's beautiful with breakfast, I love it with scrambled eggs, or you can make a wonderful bagel lunch, or you can add it to pasta, or you can pair it with the other thing that we have also made in this 2-for-1 cook-up, and that is the stock. So having taken the ham out, we've got all of this wonderful stock left in the Instant Pot. Strain that through a sieve, get it into some jars, let it cool right down, and then into the fridge overnight, and then you will end up with some beautiful stock. Let me show you. And we've got this beautiful rich and full flavoured stock that's perfect for making simple soups. And if you want to see my recipe for making a delicious lentil soup from ham hock stock, you can see the version I made in my Duo Crisp right here, and I'll also put a link in the description for you with the exact time that soup starts. And in the meantime, may your kitchen be calm and cool and your food always be good. And I'll see you next time.